Hello students, in this video class, we will discuss how to convert a decimal number into its octal equivalent and how to convert an octal number into its decimal equivalent. In the previous video class, I had already discussed about the number systems. That number systems are of four types. The first one is your decimal number system. The second one is your binary number system. The third one is your octal number system. And the fourth one is your hexadecimal number system. In your decimal number system, the base value is 10. Why? Because 10 fundamental digits are used. And the fundamental digits which are used in decimal number system are from 0 to 9. Okay. In binary number system, the base value is equal to 2. Why? Because two fundamental digits are used, that is 0 and 1. Okay. And in octal number system, the base value is 8 because 8 fundamental digits are used and the fundamental digits are 0 to 7. We should note that in octal number system, digits 8 and 9 are not allowed. In hexadecimal number system, the base value is 16. Why? Because 16 fundamental digits are used. And the fundamental digits used in hexadecimal number system are 0 to 9 and then capital A or small a to capital F or small f. In place of 10, we write A. In place of 11, we write B. In place of 12, we write C and so on. So from 0 to 9 and then A to F. Okay. A total of 16 digits are there in hexadecimal number system. Okay. And in that video class, we had also discussed how to convert a decimal number into its binary equivalent and how to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. In this video class, we will discuss how to convert a decimal number into its octal equivalent. Okay, and an octal number into its decimal equivalent. Let's start. Listen. So today, the point of discussion is conversion of a decimal number into its octal equivalent. Into its octal equivalent. Okay, conversion of a decimal number into its octal equivalent. Okay, let me give you the example. Suppose the decimal number is 246. Convert 246 into its octal equivalent. Octal equivalent. Okay, or the question can come like this also: 246 whose base value is 10 is equal to question mark whose base value is 8. Means you have to convert the decimal number into its octal equivalent. अगर उसी नंबर को octal में convert करना हो, है ना, तो कैसे किया जाएगा? 246. See, in case of decimal to binary, हम क्या करते थे? Divide by 2 करते थे. तो इसी तरह से डेसिमल से ऑक्टल में अगर कन्वर्ट कर रहा है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? याद रखना, डिवाइड बाय 8. ठीक है, तो 246 divided by 8. Use this symbol. Huh? So 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Okay, and then 0. What is the remainder? 6 is the remainder. Yes or no? If you divide 246 by 8, 8 threes are 24. Okay, then 6 is smaller than 8. So 0. So what is the quotient? 30 is the quotient. And what is the remainder? 6 is the remainder. Then 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, which is greater than 30. So we will not do 8 4s are, 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 8 3s are 24. 30 minus 24, it is 6. So 6 is the remainder. Write the remainder at the right side. Now we have to stop here. So we have to continue this process till the value is greater than or equal to 8. The moment the quotient comes less than 8, we have to stop there. जैसे यहाँ पे 246 वो क्या था, 8 से ग्रेटर था, तो हम लोग कंटिन्यू किए उसको 8 से डिवाइड करना। क्या आया क्वोशंट 30। फिर से हमने डिवाइड किया तो क्या आया क्वोशंट 3। अब हम इसके आगे नहीं जाएंगे, क्यों? क्योंकि 3 जो है वो 8 से छोटा है। तब तक डिवाइड करना है जब तक कि 8 से ग्रेटर रहे वैल्यू या फिर 8 रहे। 8 रहेगा तो 8 1s are 8। आया समझ में? बस वी हैव टू स्टॉप हियर and then from bottom to top we got the value. So we can write therefore 246 whose base is equal to 10 is equal to 366। याद रखना नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं, है ना? बहुत बच्चे लोग ऊपर से नीचे चले आते हैं, वो गलत हो जाता है। नीचे से ऊपर जाना है। 366 base is equal to 8। 366 base is equal to 8। Clear? So this is the answer. This is your answer. Now at the same time, let me convert this octal into its decimal and see whether 246 is coming or not. Listen. Listen. Conversion of an octal number. Conversion of an octal number into its what? Into its decimal equivalent. Into its decimal equivalent. अब octal को decimal में convert करना है. Example, see conversion of an octal number into its decimal equivalent. So what is the example? वही example लेते हैं जो इसमें आया था आंसर। आंसर क्या आया था? 366. So suppose the question is convert 366. Convert 366 whose base value is 8, means it is an octal number. अगर base value लिख दिया 8 तो octal number, कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो उसको decimal मानो। या क्वेश्चन में पूरा स्पेसिफाई कर दिया कन्वर्ट द ऑक्टल नंबर 366, तो फिर ऑक्टल तुम समझ जाओगे क्वेश्चन से, डोंट वरी। सो कन्वर्ट 366 बेस 8 मींस दिस ऑक्टल नंबर इनटू इट्स डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट, इनटू इट्स डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट, इनटू इट्स डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द वे टू फाइंड आउट इन केस ऑफ योर बाइनरी टू डेसिमल? याद करो क्या करते थे हम लोग? मल्टीप्लाई करते थे 2 के पावर के साथ, है ना? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2। in case of octal to decimal we have to multiply the digits with the power of 8। so what are the digits? or suppose the question is like this, 366 base value 8 is equal to question mark whose base value is 10। okay, how to do this? listen, 3 6 6 थोड़ा सा फैला करके लिख दो। अच्छा, what is the digit here? 6। so 6 into, okay, then again 6 into। sir, why are you using this asterisk symbol? See, in computer we make use of asterisk symbol. We should not write cross because this means x। okay, so whenever you are using the computer subject, okay, or you are studying computer subject, in place of cross for multiplication you should use asterisk, you should use asterisk। okay, then what is the digit here? 3 into, now we have to multiply these 3 digits with the power of 8। 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2। तो हम लोगों को राइट से लेफ्ट में जाना है, ये नहीं कि लेफ्ट से राइट में यहाँ पे लिख दोगे 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, नहीं, राइट से लेफ्ट जाना है। ठीक है, राइट से लेफ्ट जाना है। क्लियर? ओके, So whatever will be the value, just you need to add those values. So that is equal to 3 into 8 8s are 64, yes or no? Then plus 6 into 8 to the power 1 means 8 only, plus 6 into anything to the power 0 is equal to, we had already discussed in the previous video class, any value to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, note, very, very important, any value to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so we will write 6 into 1. That is equal to 64 into 3. 64 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 192. 64 into 3, 192. So 192 plus 8 6 are 48. Plus 6 1s are 6. So 192 plus 48 plus 6. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 246. So we are getting 246. See, here the question was 246. Okay, so when we were converting 246 into its octal equivalent, we were getting 366. Now when we are converting 366 to its decimal equivalent, we are getting 246. So this is the easiest way to cross check whether you are doing it correctly or not. Okay, both the side. So finally we can write here, therefore, okay, after this, therefore 366 whose base value is 8 is equal to 246 whose base value is 10. Whose base value is 10. Clear? Okay, clear na? Now let me give you another example. Another example of conversion of decimal to octal. Okay, decimal to octal. Suppose 6421. 6421. Suppose the question is convert 6421 into its octal equivalent. Convert 6421 into its octal इक्विवेलेंट। तो इसमें समझ जाना है तुमको कि ये डेसिमल, अगर कुछ नहीं दिया है मतलब डेसिमल है, नहीं तो वो स्पेसिफाई कर देता। कुछ स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया कि 6421 कौन से नंबर सिस्टम को बिलोंग कर रहा है, मींस बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम। और द क्वेश्चन कैन कम लाइक दिस आल्सो, 6421 whose base value is 10 is equal to question mark whose base value is 8, whose base value is 8। तो यहाँ पे करना क्या होगा, वी हैव टू डिवाइड द वैल्यू बाय 8, है ना। जब डेसिमल को ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो डिवाइड बाय 8, ऑक्टल को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई विद द पावर ऑफ 8। इसको बस याद रखो दिमाग में, और कुछ नहीं। सो 6421 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 8 8s आर 64। 2 जो है वो 8 से छोटा है इसलिए यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा। तो ये क्या बन 21, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 6s are 24, ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो 8 2s are 16। ओके, 21 माइनस 16 कितना आ रहा है, 5 आ रहा है। रिमाइंडर कितना आ रहा है, 5। ओके, देन 8 1s are 8, 0, और फिर क्या है 2, 2 भी छोटा है तो फिर यहाँ पे 0 ही आएगा। ठीक है, तो 800s are 800 हो गया, रिमाइंडर कितना बचा 2, है ना। कुछ बच्चे लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा, देख 802 को अगर 8 से मैं डिवाइड करूंगा तो 8 1s are 8, ठीक है, कैंसिल हो गया, 0, तो ये 0 यहाँ पे आया। ओके, 8 0s are 0, फिर यहाँ पे 0 आया, ठीक है, फिर 2 आया, 2 तो फिर छोटा है तो फिर से यहाँ पे 0 आएगा। तो रिमाइंडर लास्ट में क्या है, 2 है, और क्वोशंट क्या है, 100। तो अपने से कॉमन सेंस लगाओ, 8 into 100 800, 800s are 800, 802 में से 800 गया, कितना बचा 2, 2 is the remainder। ओके, देन अगेन डिवाइड द वैल्यू बाय 8। क्यों हम लोग ये डिवाइड करेंगे, कब तक डिवाइड करेंगे, जब तक कि नीचे यानी कि क्वोशंट में वैल्यू 8 या 8 से ग्रेटर रहेगा तब तक डिवाइड करते चले जाएंगे। जैसे ही 8 से छोटा नंबर आएगा रुक जाएंगे, दिस इज द रूल। तो 8 1s are 8, What is the remainder? 2. 2 0 20. Okay, 8 2s are 16, 8 3 24. So 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16, it is 4. 5 2 4. Okay, yes. Then 8 2s are 16, ज्यादा हो जा रहा है, तो 8 1s are 8. कितना बचा? 4. So 1 4 4 2 5. So we can write therefore 6 4 2 1, जिसका बेस वैल्यू 10 है, उसका ऑक्टल इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा? नीचे से ऊपर देखो क्या आ रहा है रिमाइंडर? 1 4 4 2 5. 1 4 4 2 5. Base value is 8. Let me check. 14425. 14425. Yes, it's correct. It's correct. So this is another example in which I have shown you how to convert a decimal number to its octal equivalent. To its octal equivalent. Clear? अब क्या करते हैं? चलो ये जो निकला आंसर 14425, इसको फिर डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करके देखते हैं और देखते हैं कि 6421 आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है। तो क्रॉस चेक भी हो जाएगा और हमारा प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगा। Listen. Question. Convert. What was the value? Convert 14425. Convert 14425. 14425. बेस 8 अगर लिख दिया मतलब वो ऑक्टल नंबर हो गया, इनटू इट्स डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट, इनटू इट्स डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट, into its decimal equivalent, into its decimal equivalent. Or the question can come like this: 14425 whose base value is 8 is equal to question mark whose base value is 10. मतलब तुमको ऑक्टल को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये डिजिट्स को फैला के लिख दो। 1, ओके, 4 4 2 5. So what is the digit here? 5. You have to multiply with the power of 8. First of all, write this 2 into, then write 4 into, then again write 4 into, then again write 1 into. What? 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 3, 8 to the power 4. Okay. And add the values. Add the values. Listen, 8 to the power 4 means what? 8 is getting multiplied with itself 4 times. So 8 8s are 64. Okay, so 64 into 64. Yes or no? So 1 into, see, what is 8 to the power 4? 8 to the power 4 means 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 64 we have to find. Yes or no? So 64 into 64. 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Okay, then 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38. So 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4096. So right here 4096. Then plus, okay, 4 into 8 to the power 3. 8 to the power 3 means 8 is getting multiplied with itself 3 times. So 8 into 8 into 8. So what is 8 into 8? It is 64. So we will do 64 into 8. 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51. So 512. Right here 512. Plus 4 into how much? See, 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8. Yes or no? 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8. 8 8s are how much? 64. So you will write here 64 plus 2 into 8 to the power 1 means 8 only. Okay, plus 5 into 8 to the power 0 means 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now just multiply 4096 into 1. It is 4096 only. 512 into 4. Let me multiply 512 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 5 fours are 20, 2048. 2048 plus 64 into 4. 64 into 4, 64 into 4, 4 fours are 16, 6 fours are 24, 25, 256. Right here, 256 plus 8 twos are 16 plus 5 ones are 5. That is equal to, now we have to add, listen. Okay, let me rub to create some space. So 4096 plus 2048 plus 256 plus 16 plus 5. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 20, 26. Yes or no? 6, 6, 12, 8, 20, 26. 26 plus 5, 31. So carry 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 5, 21 plus 1, 22. So 2, carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Yes or no? 6, 4, 2, 1. 6, 4, 2, 1. And you can see here in this case, the question was 6, 4, 2, 1 only. So this is correct. Okay. This is correct. So we can write therefore 14425, whose base value is 8, is equal to 6421, whose base value is equal to 10. So this is the answer. Means the decimal equivalent of 14425 is 6421, and the octal equivalent of 6421 is 14425. Clear? Clear, na? So in the next video class, we will discuss how to convert a decimal number into its hexadecimal equivalent and how to convert a hexadecimal number into its decimal equivalent using the same technique. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.